Michelle Radley, dealer principal at Radley Cadillac. I'd like to personally invite you to come see what Radley has to offer and let us deliver a memorable experience to you.
Make a great choice today with the 2021 Tahoe. This vehicle is powered by a 2-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.3-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, remote engine start, running boards, active grille shutters, stability control, roll stability control, front suspension type, strut, auxiliary transmission fluid cooler, power brakes, braking assist. Inside you'll find airbags, front, center, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, cargo area 115-volt power outlet, cruise control, audio auxiliary input, memory card slot, multifunction display, child safety locks, one-touch windows, 4 power steering.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.